y lo llevó el puente, mira, ve.
Tápela, negro.
¡A tiempo! ¡A tiempo!
Hey guys, it's Michael here. Some of you may not know me, some of you may. I live in Donalí, Honduras, and volunteer for a school here. And I've been here for the last about 8 years on and off, 5 years living continuously here. And so I wanted to get on here and ask for your help. As some of you may know and heard, we had a hurricane come through Honduras. In the city I'm in Donalí, it didn't really affect a lot. We've had just some rain here and slight minor flooding, nothing major. But in cities in our department, which is like our state, we have had whole houses and communities just wiped out and flooded. And then on the coast in the north, San Pedro and all of that area, Honduras Progreso, just a lot of places, well, Lima, they have been wiped out with massive flooding. The airport in San Pedro was inundated with water. But here in Donalí, in nothing major. But just in a community outside of Donalí, in Trojes, I've had friends last night reach out to me where their their house got wiped away. They were close to a river, and the river rose and really just washed it out. And so I'm on here, and I'm just asking for your help. I'm going to personally donate $1,000 myself to this campaign, and I'm asking for you to help as well. No amount's too small. $1 is a great amount. And so we got to buy shovels, and we've got to buy wheelbarrows and all kinds of things. And we're going to get a group, and we're going to go down there and see if we can help dig out some of these houses and things this weekend and next week. So any amount that you want to give to this campaign will 100% use to go to help these families that are in need. And here in Trojes and here in Santa Maria El Paraiso, and then whatever's left, we'll make sure we get it down to the victims in San Pedro and La Lima as well. I do have friends in La Lima, and so whatever you give, I'm just setting a goal, asking to see if we can get 10,000, and if we can, that'll be great. And all that money will definitely 100% go to help these families here in Honduras. God bless you guys. Stay safe.